Hey everyone, this is M Reviews, and in today's video we'll be reviewing the MOMCOZY Maternity Pillow. This was my lifesaver during my entire 9 months of pregnancy, and there's not really much features to go over, but let's just show you the different sides. So this right here has the wedges. It's very it's soft, but it's not too soft to where you do need that firmness, you do need that. So if you have a partner also, this is a bit, kind of whoa, you don't need a partner anymore. But if you do want to still, cuddle with your partner as well, what you can do is you can flip it on the opposite side as well too. And if your partner is back there, you can be right here and you're still cuddled up to this. You can put your body in between or vice versa, whichever you find comfortable, just to also be with your partner. But for those nights that you can't have any additional support and you need this, I would usually opt out of a pillow completely and just use this part as my head rest part. My legs would be over here, and this is for back support. Sometimes there would be some nights where I don't need this at all. I need this. So I would put this portion in between my legs, and then this would be my back support. I found this very beneficial and very worth the money. I will also drop the link in the description box. If you do have a maternity pillow, please let me know what your favorite brand is and how it worked for you during your pregnancy. But this was a very worth it purchase. It runs about, I believe, less than $50, and it was very beneficial. They do have sales sometimes on these items, so if you're considering the purchase, go ahead and purchase that because it'll make your 9 months not worth it, but the baby is what makes it worth it. But this was a very great investment for my pregnancy. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and there will be more.